Girlies, it's your girl Lex. I am back finally. I know it's been a long time since I've been recording, but I have some really great news. Flip and I just bought a new house and we've been trying to get everything set up and kind of settled in. And this is my little work area where I do all of my scripts and try to create as many things as possible for you guys. So I've been working really hard. So before we get into our new stuff, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you're notified about every video that I post. And we'll get into it. So we are going to jump into the top 5 places to purchase your makeup tools. So you know, I'm always trying to find a way to save a penny because Flip gets on me about how much makeup I'm actually purchasing, and I gotta make sure that it's cheap so I can kind of get away with it, you know what I mean? So number 5, let's start with Ross. You probably sleep on Ross, but Ross is a great place. Don't sleep on it because this is where you can find brush sets for dirt cheap, especially if you're learning. You know, you don't want to go to like a place like Sephora and buy like Morphe brushes and it's like astronomical for like one brush, like $26 for one brush, and you don't even know how to use it. That makes absolutely no sense. Or here's another place. You can do Ulta. Ulta is amazing. So you either have your choice of higher end products and you have the lower end products. So if you're learning, I would definitely start with the little bit cheaper, more affordable side. And that way you can find any and everything. So this is like your lash glue, your skincare products, your brow pomade. So my NYX brow pomade, this is where I actually buy it, as well as my setting powder, and both of them are $8. Number 3, the beauty supply. So the beauty supply, this is where you can get your mink lashes, regular lashes. You know, they're usually about $1 to $3. If you're buying mink, it might be $2 or $3, but they have a ton of different lash styles. You can also buy like brow pencils, but sometimes they're a little too cheap, so their prices and their products are a little hit or miss. It just kind of depends on what you find. Number 2. Now, you guys are going to freak when I say this. The dollar store, Dollar General, Family Dollar, Dollar Tree, any one of them, you can find any and everything. So this is your brow pencils, your foundation if you really want to. You have a setting powder, you have your finishing powders, you have your concealers if you wanted to. But sometimes it's a hit or miss, and when you're in a bind and you don't feel like going to Ulta or Ross or something like that, you could just kind of hit up the dollar store, kind of pick up 1 or 2 things and try it as you go. So the last place, online. This is where I have been getting such great deals. It's always better online. So this is things like Amazon. Plus I get Amazon Prime, so a lot of times I don't want to wait on shipping and it's at my door the next day. Then you have BH Cosmetics. So with Black Friday right around the corner, they're actually having their sale right now. 75% off the whole site. Then you have things like Coastal Scents. They're doing the exact same thing, as well as Makeup Geek. Then you also have Instagram. I've been getting like a bunch of different sales. Sometimes you gotta watch them to see if they legit or not. And also, if they allow you to pay by PayPal, definitely go that route so they don't have your credit card information. But always look for that sale. Alright y'all, so we just went through my top 5 places to purchase my makeup tools, and including makeup. So if you have any questions or you want to ask me something, feel free to hit those comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Until then, I'll see y'all next time.
This is not a picture. It's a video.
Oh.